everybody. Hope you're all well. Just going out for a little walk after the big storm yesterday. You got a big job ahead of you. We had the same thing this morning. Yeah. Some people's driveways aren't plowed out yet. I think we got probably 3 feet to 5 feet, 3 feet to 4 feet on the deck, depending on how the snow swirled and fell. And right now, this edging right here is almost up to my hips. I'm 5'2". So yeah, we got quite a bit of snow, but other places got more. And it snowed all day yesterday, well into last night. And today, this morning, I think till about 9:30, 10 o'clock, it was cloudy and still snowing. And it really blew yesterday. There was gusts of, 40 to 60 at the beginning. And then last night, it was 50 to 100 or 60 to 100. And let me tell you, that whole wind was blowing some hard. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just came up a hill. Whew. Nice house right there. Some pretty houses. The house is being rebuilt. Must be new people that moved here. Everybody's bought up all the homes that were for sale and fled to parts of the maritime provinces in the hopes of battling COVID better, I guess. Our numbers aren't as high, but even though we have a lower population, the impact is definitely still there. Well, let me see. Sidewalks are about up to my knees and a bit higher on the other side, on the street side. Yeah, we did get walloped with quite a bit of snow. Looks like somebody here just cleared their car out of down there. And I don't know if you can pick that up because it's in the shade, but just drove right out of it. They had to clean the bottom of your car all right. Maybe they had a 4-wheel drive. That makes a difference. Right now it's, we've gone from minus 31, which was the coldest winter day in this area since, I believe, 2009, when it was minus 27 one day. So we've gone from minus 31 to minus 27 to minus 17. And today, after the storm, it always warms up after the storm. Today, after the storm, nice little path, well dug, nice and even. Today, after the storm, the sun came out. It's a lovely, let me see, minus 8, I believe. Don't count me correct on that because I haven't looked at the thermometer, but the last time I did it was about minus 8. So we're at the point of the day when the sun is the hottest. I'm just wandering around today, not very far from the river. So the wind really took havoc. There were barrels everywhere. Some people leave their barrels in their front yard. Makes it easier for getting it out when the garbage man comes. And nice little church over there. And a nice big church. Actually, that used to be a church. It still is a church, but it's been sold to a group of people that are going to make it into sort of like a community help service kind of thing. These things happen for the betterment of the services they can provide to help people that need the help in the community. That's happens everywhere, and it's always, I've got to be careful here. It's always good to know that some services are there to help you. I think got quite a bit of snow in the parking lot at the funeral parlor. Wow. I was going to take a shortcut across there, but I'm not going to climb over that mountain of snow. Yes, and it's all dug out nicely. That's quite a snowbank. Oh my goodness. There is some ice underneath this. But I got my cleats on. I always have my cleats on in the wintertime. Everywhere I go. Not to the grocery store. I would have to take them off. So I have other boots that I wear. These are just for my walking boots. You know, these boots were made for walking. And that's just what I'll do. And one of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Not really. Let's take a wander. Oh, the worst thing about once the plows come through and leave sand and salt, everything turns a nasty brown. People let me cross, noticing that I'm on the road and slowing down. A lot of nice people live here. Well, they did some real handiwork over there today. Goodness, that would have been a load to move for sure. I like to have one of those small plows that has the snow attachment on it and has the little whirly things in the front. I don't even know what these things are called, but I know what it looks like. And it's kind of like a snowblower, but you can drive it. And I'd like to have one of those at my house. Oh, the kids are having a great time. There's a mountain of snow. It's all been cleared off the streets and the driveways and just stuck over here on a temporary basis, so the kids are taking advantage of it. Thank you very much. Have fun. Bye-bye. When you look across the snow from this angle over here, it looks nice and clean. And then I ran into these folks that had just finished shoveling their driveway and decided to sit out in the yard in front of their fireplace. I'm not to the top yet. The river's running to a certain point, as you can see. If I can zoom up on this, my hands are kind of cold. Right there. And the rest is all ice, and the tide is out. So when the tide comes in, it'll push all of that back up, but the river will continue to run, even if it has to go under the ice. It's still not safe to cross over there. You get sucked down into those rapids and you'll be gone in a second. Just a short one out and about after the snowstorm. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye-bye for now.